Welcome to the main card of this evening. Now introducing the fourth bout in the main card, which is a bout scheduled in the super lightweight division. Scheduled for 4 rounds of action. Calling out to the fighter in the red corner, Hassanur Rahman.
In the lion's den, I take my chance. Won't wait, I seize the wave. Every chance I bring, I pay. Pressure crushing from the wall will bow. One more step, the moment is now.
And now calling out to the fighter out in the blue corner, Ryan Hussein.
Victory smells sweet body domains. Ropes cut deep, still I hold my stance. In the lion's den, I take my chance. Glory won't wait, I seize the wave. Every chance I bring, I pay.
Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is scheduled in the super lightweight division for 4 rounds of action. Now your referee in charge of the action, Mr. Ryan Hussein.
Alright, boxers, I want a clean fight. Be careful with the low blows and no punches in the back of the head. And be careful with your elbows. Touch gloves and go back to your corners.
Don't panic. It's your ring.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, your commentator is back in the house. Now we got a very exciting matchup. 2 urban boxers making their professional debut in the super lightweight division. In the blue corner, there's Ryan Hussein, who is taking the lead with the aggression. And then there is the boxer in the red corner. He is Hassanur Rahman, who has quite the amicable amateur background, where Ryan is coming from a totally professional background. Now, the fun fact about this matchup is they already had an exhibition fight back in February. Back then there wasn't much of a decisive winner, as it was an exhibition bout. In that bout, both had their own arsenals, and now look at them, they're putting it on. Hassanur is doing the relentless aggression, taunting him, and Ryan is just gauging the distance and slipping and defending. And as we all know how Ryan is, he will always come back with the counter. The counter fighting is his arsenal, main arsenal in this fight. Ryan is seemingly very elusive compared to his opponent.
Counter power. What, Ryan? What? Counter by the power. Hey.
Hassanur is trying to enter, and boom! That was a very good counter from Ryan. Now Hassanur is trying to, tap him on the face with his jabs, but Ryan has answers for it. Wow! Ryan is putting on a very good combo. Wow! Was that a slip?
Ryan, balance, hands up.
Alright. So Ryan is back in action. Let's see if he can solve the puzzle. Hassanur has already found his flow, and I think the bout will change. The momentum of the fight will change, and wow, Ryan is showing quite the chin on him. That's amazing. So besides a very good counter punching and elusiveness, Ryan has a very good chin. That will be tested because Hassanur hits very hard. Between the two, it's Hassanur who hits the harder. Wow, Hassanur is putting on some wild combos. He's not letting Ryan get his timing. He's trying to disrupt the rhythm, and Ryan is just trying to walk him down. Let's see what the next change will unfold.
রিল্যাক্সে যাও, এই রাউন্ডটা রিল্যাক্সে যাও, অসুবিধা নাই। হ্যান্ডস আপ। ওয়াচ, হেড মুভমেন্ট সহ, ওয়াচ।
The round is drawing near, and that was a very good cross from Ryan.
জিতু ভাই
Hooks cut deep, still I hold my stance. In the lion's den, I take my chance. Glory won't wait, I seize the wave. Every chance I bring, I pay.
Seconds out. Seconds out, sir, please. Seconds out.
দেখা রায়ান, জাস্ট অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে এটা। হয়তো দেখা না।
All right, now welcome to round 2. So the first round was leaning on Ryan, but Hassanur came back with his combos and pressure. And now Ryan, I think Ryan has a game plan of his own to counter Hassanur's adjustment. And wow, Hassanur adjusted well, and Ryan is answering back. But Hassanur seemed to be ahead of Ryan, and wow, that was a good counter, a good cross from from Ryan, and it connected. And Hassanur came back with a 1-2 combo of his own.
হেড মুভমেন্ট থাকবে, হাত থাকবে।
And already we can see how dedicated Ryan's corner and his coach and manager, Mr. Yusuf, is. He is relentlessly putting, giving tips, and wow. Hassanur is digging to the body and now to the head. Ryan just did the same and got caught, and boom, that was good. Wow. Now this is called a proper exchange.
এই যে এখানে কাউন্টার থাকবে, ব্যাক ফুটে কাউন্টার, ফ্লিপে কাউন্টার। দেখো 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 বডি, তারপরে বডি হবে, হাত থাকবে উপরে। হাত উপরে, হেড মুভমেন্ট থাকবে। রিদমে থাকো, হেড মুভমেন্ট, রিদম, ওভারহ্যান্ড।
So Ryan is trying to put on a clinic, but Hassanur has answered for it. Hassanur has got the momentum back. He has finally solved the puzzle. Will Ryan be able to stand on his feet, or will Ryan has an answer? Let's see. But either fighters aren't going down, either fighters aren't backing down from each other.
হ্যান্ডস আপ, হেড মুভমেন্ট। ওখানে থাকবে না, পাঁচ নিয়ে আসবে। বডি এন্ড ওভারহ্যান্ড। পাঁচ।
Wow, that was a good uppercut from Hassanur which connected, but Ryan just got dragged to the rope.
ধীরে ধীরে আগাও, ধীরে ধীরে আগাও, ধীরে ধীরে আগাও। হাত উপরে রাখো, হাত উপরে রাখো ধীরে ধীরে আগাও হাত উপরে আগাও আস্তে আস্তে আগাও করো হাত উপরে থাকবে হেড মুভমেন্ট থাকবে
I think Ryan has upped his defense game, his guard game.
Every chance I bring, I pay. Diamonds emerge. Gritty nights and a powerful surge. Underdog's anthem, the world will bow. One more step, the moment is now.
Seconds out.
Seconds out. Seconds out.
সেকেন্ড রাউন্ডটা যেভাবে খেলছো ওইভাবে খেলো গার্ড উপরে পায়ে পায়ে আগাবা গার্ড রাখো আবার
Wow. The round 3 is starting with a firefight round.
গার্ড থাকবে
Wow. What a shot. Wow, that was a good right that landed on Hassanur, almost stumbled.
যাও আগে যাও পায়ে থাকো গাড়ি থাকো
Damn.
গাড়ি থাকো
Each time Ryan is scoring successive punches, Hassanur is answering him with successive combos. Hassanur is fighting like he has nothing to lose. He-
গার্ড উপরে ডিফেন্ড কাউন্টার হেড ডিফেন্ড কাউন্টার হবে রাইট গার্ড উপরে রায়ান হ্যান্ডস আপ হেড রিদমে হাত নামাবো না হেড রিদমে থাকবে হাত নামাবো না দেখা দিচ্ছে খেলো পয়েন্ট দিও না এখন পয়েন্ট দিও না দেখো পয়েন্ট দিও না কোনো ভাবে হাত উপরে গার্ড আবার হাতে আসলে গার্ড লেফট টু সামনে আসো লেফট টু
that was quite the decent exchange between the two.
হাত উপরে বডি আপ বিরা রায়ান সাপোর্ট ফুটওয়ার্ক ওর দম নাই তুমি খেলো বডি আপ আন্দাজে হাত ছুটতেছে হ্যাঁ হাত উপরে রায়ান ওয়াচ আউট রায়ান ওয়াচ আউট পাঁচ পাইলে মারবা দম নাই ওয়াচ আউট মারো লেফট টু বডি এন্ড আপ মিলা ওয়াচ হ্যান্ডস আপ রিদম থাকো বডি এন্ড আপ ওভার বডি এন্ড আপ মিলায়া ওভার হ্যান্ড সাইডে ওয়াচ আউট এখন ইয়ে করো না বডি ওভার
What a finish to round number 3.
Pressure crushing, but diamonds emerge. Gritty nights and a powerful surge. Underdog's anthem,
Seconds out.
Seconds out.
Watch and observe, Ryan, দিয়ে দিও না। Point দিও না, তুমি গার্ডে রাখো, point দিও না। এগুলো উড়ে যাচ্ছে।
The final and decisive round between the two. It's like we are seeing two boxers who are parallelly similar to each other with a different setting in their own frames, but both of them are urban boxers who are making their pro debut and they already fought before. So it's like that rematch that will decide who is the ultimate boxer between the two. And each of them are doing so good and so well against each other. It seems like a close fight. And wow, Hassanur is fighting like a mad dog, unleashed. Damn.
Shuffle and switch. Angle change করবা, shuffle and switch করবা. Back বলে ব্যাকে যাও। Ryan, back and forward মিলায় খেলো। Back and forward মিলায় খেলো। Half round আছে।
Yes, both boxers are very tired, and it may be a draw or may not. I think one will win, one will not, but both of them putting on quite the performance. Ryan is turning on the pressure. Finally, he's turning on the pressure on Hassanur. So the last 10 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for these two warriors.
Pressure crushing but diamonds emerge. Gritting nights and a powerful surge. Underdog's anthem, the world will bow. One more step, the moment is now. Fist of fury, heart steady pacing. In the ring, no time for wasting. Underdog anthem, greatness brewing. Fit survive, challengers proving. Excel promotions when champions are raised. Love and sway on the canvas displayed. Victory echoes the crowd in a roar. Contamination at the heart of the war. Bare knuckle dreams turning close to gold. Legends forged, never bought or sold. Every move carved sharp like a blade. Every round shouting I won't fade. Pressure crashing but diamonds emerge. Reignites in a powerful surge. Underdog's anthem, the wall will bow. One more step, the moment is now. Excel promotion where champions are made. From the grit and grind, power display. Undeniable force breaks open the chains. Victory's rocky domains. Hooves cut deep, still I hold my stance. In the lion's den, I take my chance. Glory won't wait, I seize the wave. Every chance I bring, I pay.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of electrifying action full of firefights, we have a winner. And the winner by split decision, Hasanur Rahman!
Sohun Bhai.